Think about it. The amount of money I have in my pocket is less than $5 but greater than $4. So you would have an opportunity to think about how much money would be less than $5 but greater than $4. One possible value for the amount of money in my pocket is, what do you think? What number is less than $5 but greater than $4? For the sake of this example, my number would be $4.27. Okay, what's your number? Part B says to write an inequality statement comparing the possible values of the money in my pocket to $4. So an inequality statement is a statement that has symbols like less than, greater than, equal to, less than or equal to, and greater than or equal to. So this question is asking us to compare our number to $4. So my number was 4.27, right? Also known as $4.27, and I'm comparing that to $4. So is $4.27 less than $4, greater than $4, equal to, less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to $4? Just from experience, I know that $4.27 is not equal to $4 at all. So I'm really not going to be using those last three symbols. I'm either going to use less than or greater than. Is $4.27 less than or greater than $4? I know that those 27 cents make it greater than $4. So part C is saying to write an inequality statement. So I'm doing the same thing as last time, writing an inequality statement, comparing the possible value of the money in my pocket to $5. So I'm going to set my inequality statement back up. $4.27 or 4.27 is blank than $5. Once again, I'm either going to use less than or greater than. Is $4.27 less than $5 or is it greater than $5? $4.27 is definitely less than $25. What did you get using your numbers? What do your inequality statements look like?